AutoML Builder. The AutoML capability of FlexRule automatically examines different machine learning algorithms, finds the best algorithm, and generates the best model to make a prediction. It can create the following three types of models: regression, multiclass classification, and binary classification. Let's build the model. In this project, it is required to install the Analytics extension. To install the extension, go to Tools, Extension Manager, and choose FlexRule.extension.analytics. Make sure you are installing the version 9 extension. Click on the plus button to install the extension. Once you have installed the Analytics extension, you can find the AutoML Builder under Machine Learning. The method for all the builders is the same. Therefore, we will continue with the Regression Model Builder. Go to Machine Learning, AutoML Builder, Regression. Then it will launch the Regression ML Model Builder. There are 3 steps. Upload the dataset, select the input and prediction columns, and train the model. Let's upload the dataset first. In the first step, we will be uploading the dataset to start building the model. Select the dataset in the CSV file type, and the dataset should have a minimum of 100 rows. Once the dataset is uploaded successfully, you will see the file information. Size indicates the size of the uploaded file. Separator indicates the delimiter in the CSV file. Then it shows the number of rows and columns of the uploaded dataset. You'll also have the option to preview the uploaded dataset. Click Next Step to go to the next step. In this step, we will be selecting the inputs and the output column to make predictions. The input-output lists are auto-generated from the dataset uploaded in the previous step. Select the output column from the drop-down list. Select the input columns. The prediction of the above selected output column is determined based on the input columns you select in this step. Therefore, if there are any columns that you don't need to be used in the prediction, you can untick them here. For example, if you only want to know the fare amount, depending on the trip distance, you can select only trip distance. Click Next Step to go to the next step. This is the final step that allows you to choose the options for training. In Time to Train seconds, you can choose how many seconds you would like to spend to train the model. Optimizing metric determines the metric to be optimized during model training. Algorithm is the list of algorithms to be chosen from. Permutation count counts the number of permutations. By default, the path to Store ML Model will be saved in the project folder, but you can choose a preferred path. The option of logic documents cannot be changed. It will create a DRD document at the end of the training. Artifacts Home is the project's root folder by default, but you can select a different folder. Finally, you can start training the model by clicking Start. Once the project starts, you can see the steps in the background tasks window. When the training is completed successfully, you'll be able to see the completed steps. Click on the completed task and click View Task Result to see the report of the built model. You will also see the automatically created files. The drd.xml file is the decision model that can be integrated to your project. Input-output.concept.xml is the concept file that defines the inputs and output or prediction. The frml file is the model building report, containing details such as the chosen best algorithm and how many algorithms were explored, along with a chart to show the feature importance of each column. Now let's run the model. Open the drd.xml file and click Debug with JSON Composer. Enter sample data. Once the execution is completed successfully, the prediction can be seen as the output in the parameters window. Want to get started? Visit our resource hub for more information.